Okay, hi, this is Nathia Richardson. Haven't made a video in a long time. This is my cousin. You've seen her in a previous video. So this is a how-to on how to make borax slime.
Okay, so first what you will need is glue. You will also need a bowl for mixing the solution, bowl for mixing the borax solution, obviously borax, water, and these are optional, food dye and glitter.
Also essential oils that we are going to be put in.
Yes, we are using peppermint today. So first what you are going to do is take your 1 cup of hot water. So it's a cup of hot water and a tablespoon of borax, and you are going to mix that. And you want to mix it very well. So now, Oliver, can you pour 1/2 cup of glue into the bowl?
Yes. One whole cup?
1/2 cup, right here. So next, you also need 1/2 cup of glue. And so I'm going to pour that into the bowl. You want to make sure you get it all out. And then we add the shaving cream.
Yeah. Okay, I'll spray that in.
So you could eyeball it, but we're going to measure it today. So can you measure a cup, please? So you're going to need 1 cup and a half of shaving cream.
Okay, let's call this a cup.
Yeah, that's about a cup. And you want about 1.5 cups. And you could always eyeball it, it doesn't matter. But just try and get it around 1.5 cups.
Now let's put in around a cup of that.
Now, 1/2 cup.
Let's call that
That's
half
good.
of a cup.
And I like to add just a little bit extra
Just in case.
for good luck. Okay, Oliver, would you like to add the food coloring now?
Yes, I will.
You're going to want about 3 or 4 drops of food coloring. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to add in the essential oil. I'm doing 2 drops.
10 drops.
2. 1, 2, 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. But you could use any essential oil.
Or not.
And then we are both going to add the glitter. So.
Okay, that was a mess up. She just dumped the whole entire thing
I just dumped the whole thing in.
Okay,
Okay, well, we don't need any blue glitter now. So now the next step is to mix it all in. And
making very glittery blue slime.
okay. So, would you like to mix that in, Oliver?
Yes, I will.
Oh, needing it too. So now you kind of want to make sure that your borax solution is 100% mixed in, and it should look very clear. And then, so all of it.
Oh wait, I didn't really mix that.
So now, Oliver, you're going to keep mixing, and I'm going to pour in the borax solution a little bit at a time. So keep mixing, pour it in. And you don't want too much because it just gets weird. Best way to describe it.
Yeah. Okay, that looks weird. Looks like pea dough.
Oh, that's good.
Oh no,
And so once it gets there, I like to just go in with my hands.
Okay, now we gotta mess around with it with our hands.
So this is very, here, you can get half of that. So right now it's really sticky.
Yeah, so we gotta mix it some more.
You have to mix it, but I think it's easier to mix in my hand. You could always mix it with a spoon more, but it's a lot easier with your hands. Oh, fell on my ankle.
I want to mix this with a spoon. It feels
you.
No, it shouldn't be sticking to our hands like this.
No, it normally does. Because it just takes borax.
Okay, I'm gonna mix this with my hands. I'm gonna go quick my hands.
Okay, so you want to keep mixing, and it's gonna look really weird, like weird booger, but it should be fine. So just remember that you want to keep mixing, and there's always going to be a little bit excess in the bowl.
Bad slime.
So,
Hey, why do you have a slime?
because I took your slime.
Is it nice? Oh, it's a little.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard. So,
Get some more.
this is very fluffy. No more borax.
Oh, like a spoonful. Like, barely.
Nope, there's borax in the
No,
bowl.
just a
No, see, there's borax.
moisturizer. Ooh.
So this is a very squishy, putty-ish, and it doesn't stick to your fingers anymore.
Oh, wee. Why did I say that?
And it's like a putty, and it's so cool.
Wow,
So-
it's magical.
We highly recommend making this method of putty. And so we will see you next time.
Yeah. Oh, good thing my phone didn't die. Bye.